Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. In this tutorial, we will discuss how can we draw an arc in Fusion 360. Before drawing an arc in the workspace of Fusion 360, let's discuss different type of arcs available in Fusion 360. There are three types of arcs available in Fusion 360. First one is 3-point arc, second one is center point arc, and third one is tangent arc. 3-point arc. It creates an arc using 3 points. To create this type of arc, you have to specify start point, end point, and a point at an arc. Next one is center point arc. It also creates an arc using 3 points. To create this type of arc, you have to specify start point and end point, or specify the angle value covered by an arc. Now the next one is tangent arc. By selecting this option, you can create an arc with tangency by selecting any 2 points. These are the several types of arcs available in Fusion 360. Now we are discussing how can we select all these 3 arcs in Fusion 360. So follow all these steps one by one. So select create sketch from the workspace, then select any plane, then click on arc. As you select arc, a sketch palette will appear in front of you. You can select any type of arc mentioned above from the sketch palette. Now we are coming on the workspace of Fusion 360. To draw a 3-point arc, here I follow all the steps as we discussed earlier. So first go to create sketch, then select a plane. Here I am selecting this plane. Before drawing a 3-point arc, first we have to draw 2 lines. Here I am selecting line. Here I am drawing 2 lines, first one and the second one. To exit the line command, here I am pressing escape. Then from create, a drop down list will appear in front of you. From here you can select arc. A different drop down list will appear in front of you. From here 3-point arc you can select. To draw a 3-point arc, you have to specify 3 points. Here I am placing first point, second point, then you have to specify third point. Here I am placing third point. It will create a 3-point arc. Now the next one is center point arc. Now to draw a center point arc, you have to follow same steps up to selecting the plane. To draw a center point arc, here I am drawing a line. After drawing a line, go to create. From here, you can select a center point arc. To create a center point arc, you have to specify a center point. Here I am placing the center point. Then you have to specify a point or a radius of an arc. Suppose that the radius of an arc is 70 mm. Then press enter. Then you have to specify the arc angle, that is 110 degree. Then press enter. It will create center point arc. Here I am drawing another center point arc. To draw this type of arc, I follow the same procedure. Place first point. Now the radius of an arc, that is 90 mm. Press enter. Then I am specifying the arc angle, that is 110 again. It will create another center point arc. Now I am drawing 2 lines. So I am selecting this line and I draw 2 lines here, first one and the second one. It creates a closed geometry by using center point arc. Now the next is tangent arc. To draw a tangent arc, you have to follow same step up to selecting plane. After selecting plane, first I am drawing 2 lines. So I am drawing here first one and the second one. After drawing 2 lines, I am selecting here create, move the cursor on arc. From here I am selecting this tangent arc. To draw a tangent arc, first we have to place a tangent point. From here I am selecting first tangent point. Then I am selecting second tangent point. It will create a tangent arc. These 2 lines are tangent to this arc. So by using all these methods, we can draw 3-point arc, center point arc and tangent arc. Thank you for watching this tutorial.